So we went from 2G to 3G, then 4G, then 5G, and now we're on to 6G. But what's actually changed between these generations of mobile networks? Well, let's take a look. We'll start with 2G. If you remember this, it was the era of the Nokia 3310 and text messaging. It was great for voice calls and sending SMS, but that was about it. The network infrastructure was based on circuit switching, which is similar to how your regular phone system works. When you make a call, a circuit is established between the two phones involved in the conversation. This is in contrast to packet switching, which is used by the internet. With packet switching, data is sent in small chunks or packets and can take different routes to get to their destination. It's more efficient and can handle a lot more users than circuit switching. And that's why the internet, which uses packet switching, can accommodate so many users at once. So 3G was the first generation to use packet switching, which enabled faster speeds and things like video streaming. It also introduced the concept of mobile broadband. 4G then brought us even faster speeds and the ability to download and upload large files quickly. It also introduced the concept of carrier aggregation, which allows a phone to combine multiple frequency bands to get even faster speeds. Then came 5G, which promised even faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to handle a lot more users. It also introduced the concept of network slicing, which allows a network to be divided into multiple virtual networks, each with its own dedicated resources. This allows operators to offer different types of services with different quality of service requirements over the same infrastructure. And now we have 6G. So what does it offer that 5G doesn't? Well, 6G promises even faster speeds, up to 20 gigabits per second. That's 10 times faster than 5G. It also promises even lower latency, as low as 1 millisecond, and it will support a massive number of connected devices, up to 100 billion. This will enable new applications, such as virtual reality and augmented reality. The other thing about 6G is that it will be built on a new and more efficient type of radio waves, called terahertz. These waves have very high frequencies, which means they can carry a lot of data. They also have very short wavelengths, which means they can be very precise. This will allow 6G networks to be much more energy efficient than 5G networks. It's not just about faster speeds and lower latency. 6G is also about enabling new applications. Just look at the evolution from 2G to 3G. The addition of video streaming wasn't all that groundbreaking, but the advent of social media and mobile apps that we have today wouldn't have been possible without 3G. Similarly, 6G will enable new applications that we can't even imagine yet. What's clear is that 6G will be a big leap forward, just like the generations before it. It will change the way we use our phones and the way our society functions. We're still a long way from 6G becoming a mainstream technology, but it's worth keeping an eye on because it will definitely change our lives in the years to come. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.